Zoho Projects is a comprehensive project management tool that helps teams plan, track, and collaborate on projects effectively. Here's how to use Zoho Projects. Create projects and tasks. Start by creating a new project in Zoho Projects. Define project goals, milestones, and timelines. Break down the project into tasks and subtasks. Assign tasks and set deadlines. Assign tasks to team members and set deadlines. Specify task dependencies to ensure tasks are completed in the correct sequence. Collaborate with team members. Communicate and collaborate with team members using built-in chat, forums, and commenting features. Share files and documents related to the project. Track progress and time. Monitor project progress using Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or task lists. Track time spent on tasks using timesheets or timers. Manage resources and budgets. Allocate resources such as team members and equipment. Monitor project budgets and expenses using budgeting tools and expense tracking features. Set reminders and notifications. Receive notifications for task deadlines, upcoming milestones, and important updates. Set reminders to stay on top of critical project activities. Generate reports. Generate reports to analyze project performance, task completion rates, and resource utilization. Customize reports to suit project stakeholders' needs. Integrate with other tools. Integrate Zoho Projects with other Zoho apps and third-party tools to streamline workflows and data synchronization.